Something new from Google's Art and Culture. It's called Musical Canvas. And when you start that web app, you're presented with a blank canvas. Your tool, you have a stylus. You can vary its size. And then you can go to work. I used a mouse and I created this drawing. Once you've finished your drawing, you can also select different colors throughout your drawing. Just select it and change the color as I did in some of this here. Once you have finished creating your masterpiece, hit the button that says Generate Music. It's thinking and it's generating your soundtrack directly inspired by your drawing. A gentle piano piece with a simple melody and a slow, steady tempo. The music is calming and relaxing, and it creates a sense of peace and tranquility. Your drawing is very simple, yet it is very effective in conveying a sense of peace and tranquility. The yellow color of the house and the tree suggest a warm and inviting atmosphere. The red door adds a touch of contrast and draws the eye to the entrance of the house. The overall composition is well balanced and pleasing to the eye. So let's listen to the music. So why not follow the link and start creating your own masterpiece as far as the image, and maybe create a masterpiece in the music it creates. In any case, have some fun. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. And thanks for watching and listening.